Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA, and we're doing a video on spring cleanup. And I want you to take a look at, this is a dry creek bed we built about a year ago. We built it and we landscaped around it. We put the drip irrigation in, and you know, I actually took a picture earlier of these plants. They're actually super drought tolerant. They're called Garcias. They have these really pretty flowers. They almost look like orange cigars, but these whole things actually were so tall. They're about this tall, and they were actually crowding this out. You couldn't even see this dry creek bed. So we did a little haircut today. It's once a year. You should do that, and this is springtime, and so they're sending up new shoots, and so their process is going to start next year. But I wanted to show you that this is a dry creek bed. We did a few videos about a year ago on randomness with rocks, and so if you're going to build a dry creek bed, you want to make it random. So we put a big one, we put small ones, but it gives the illusion of a riverbed. We actually put bluestones in it to give the illusion of water. Really, really cool stuff. It's flanked by, on the bottom here, with this Melaleuca quinquenervia cageput tree, they call this. Actually, this is a Nesophylla, Melaleuca Nesophylla. It actually has really small, it's a creeper. Check this out, this trunk here. It's right next to the driveway, so it's planted here about 6 feet from the driveway. But it just got this gnarly trunk that just kind of comes out at you, and it kind of travels and spreads. And over here, we've got our paddle plant. We've got some salvias. The idea here was to get some pollinators into the garden. This is really a pollinator garden. Pollinator garden that looks fabulous because it's all about sustainability. We did plant some new color here, and we also installed, somebody built this waterfall. Mike McCoy is a local artist, and then we basically put together this waterfall here. We built the infrastructure for it. It was kind of cool. If you get a kind of a close-up of it, you can see it actually just bleeds down water. And yeah, we've got a little infrastructure, which is why there's nothing right adjacent to it. And then we got more salvias. We got some kangaroo paws. Check out that happy face on the kangaroo paw. It's just so happy. It's like it's a little sun. It's like smiling at you right there. Check that out. Ooh, little happy face on the kangaroo paw. And so this is just a idea. We did put Atlantic water gardens under water lights. Well, they can go underwater, but we just like the idea that it can actually be change color, and so it's on a color wheel. So it's really, really cool stuff. Anyway, Mike with Enviroscape showing you what you can do to make sustainability beautiful. For more information, check us out on the web, www.enviroscapela.com. Mike from Enviroscape signing off. When you think sustainability, think Enviroscape LA.